Hi guys! Right now I'm out looking for arrowheads. I haven't really done too much of that yet, so just out here wherever there's loose soil to see what I can find. And a lot of times right here in the shop area, I was looking over there, but the grass is pretty thick. You can't see much except in the gopher mounds. Didn't see anything over there. So looking along the fence line here, and there's some other junk like this old vaccine bottle for the cows, which isn't that old, I imagine 70s or so. Here's a red rock. That's, that could be something. Not awesome. If it is something, I'm going to just leave it here. Okay, we got the old style there. And other stuff. Now what's this? A nice piece of green glass. Now that is something there. Wow! We just found the part of a pestle. So I'm going to stick it on top of this fence post for decoration. Let's see what else we can find. Dude, I was surprised at this. My goodness. Somebody else might have already found this and it fell off a fence post, but you just never know. Okay, there's a flake. Yeah, I always found flakes up here as a kid. Of course, the square nails that are so ever present around here. Another vaccine bottle. And a couple more. We used to have cows back in the day. Well, back before my parents decided cows were too much. Okay, I'll check. I'm going to look under the gas tank and I'll check back with you. Okay, somebody just put this piece of one up here on this. It's been there a while. And I put mine right there. Okay. Somebody is coming down the road. Wonder who that is. Might be Federal Express. Here's a flake. That's a pretty nice one. Leave that there. Okay, we're under the gas barrel. Okay. Well, I don't see anything. Now, when I was a kid, I found a couple different pieces of arrowhead up here. But Dad has put all this gravel on, so you can't really find anything right here. I found one right over there. There was a ditch that would bring water through here. And I found a nice black obsidian chip piece of an arrowhead over there. And then over here I found a different, like purplish colored rock over here. It's pretty cool. So I'm going to go look over there now. Let's go. Okay, so I was over here yesterday and I did see a few flakes over there. Maybe we'll see those later, but I always check here after the rain. That's just plastic. Because there used to be kind of a little water drainage right through here. So, looking for stuff. All right, here's a flake. Oh, that's metal. There, some metal junk. I didn't bring my gloves. Okay, here's a little flake, I think. Or maybe, can't tell if it's a flake or plastic. One of those. Oh. Little tiny flake. There's one of those old sickles. Oh. There's a flake. I should have brought my reading glasses. And there's one. There's one. And that is a washer. Plenty of flakes. I used to collect flakes, but no more. Now I've got a pile of them upstairs. And that was when I was a kid, younger. So it's kind of fun to just find them out here each time you walk through. So I found this cool piece of old glass. It says oil on it. Glass? What is this? Some kind of flake. This does not have grass growing on it because we keep it sprayed from everything. This is for fire protection. Bunch of nails right here. One time, like over in that area, we were pulling some rye. Rye is a weed for us wheat farmers. And I saw a little pile of 5 flakes of obsidian over there. So the Native Americans either had a small village here, you know, something real small, or they, you know, camped here on their way someplace else. So that's why we find a few things. Dad and I were just talking, like, there must be a honey hole around here somewhere. But I always keep my eyes glued to the ground. I guess this is from an old mattress spring. So we got some stuff here. That's kind of cool. And that cool old thing. So this is a cool old hay rake. I don't know how old this is, but it's pretty old. And we live in kind of a dry climate, so it doesn't rust too much. Pretty cool. Okay. That's a leaf. Oh man, that looked like a good one. Well, there's a flake. Pretty nice flake. That's pretty. Cool. Moving this wire. We were over here yesterday. Dad tripped over a piece of wire. Some rust. All right, I found an interesting old artifact. Do you see it? Just joking. Here's a little flake. Well, that's all for now. I'm probably going to get out and walk this field before the grass gets tall. The grass-dead planet is finally growing, so I'm going to show you a couple of clips from metal detecting after this. Well, I had a good signal in this hole, and first I pulled out this nail, and I got something over here, which is actually a nice square nail. So we'll see if that's all it was. These square nails sound really good. So, on to the next. Well, I just had a signal that was in the gold range, and that's what it is. Maybe it's part of a shotgun shell. It's squished, so I don't really know. And I'll show you what else I found today. Nails and wire. So I have one pretty good square nail there. All right, that's all for now. See you next time. Pepper, what do you think? Are you my helper? Are you my helper, Pepper? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think, Pepper? What do you think, Pepper? Oh, Pepper, you're a good girl. Yes, you are. You're a good girl. You're a good cat. Yeah.